Tired of missing out on potential earnings on Kick? Today, we're going to supercharge your Kick channel by connecting it to Stripe, unlocking a whole new world of monetization opportunities. First, navigate to your Kick Creator dashboard. This is your central hub for managing your channel. Next, look for the Settings menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon, then click on Affiliate. Scroll down until you find the Stripe section, then click Connect to Stripe. You'll be redirected to Stripe. If you already have a Stripe account, log in. Otherwise, create a new account by following their straightforward sign-up process. Stripe will ask for some business details and your bank account information to ensure payments are correctly processed and deposited. Make sure all information is accurate. Once your account is set up or you are logged in, Stripe will ask for authorization to connect to your Kick channel. Authorize this connection to allow data to flow seamlessly. And that's it. You should now see a confirmation within your Kick Creator dashboard that your Stripe account is successfully connected. You can now accept payments directly from your viewers. Get ready to elevate your streaming game and watch your channel grow with seamless payments through Stripe. Remember to explore Stripe's features to create subscriptions, donation tiers, and much more.